Hi guys, just wanted to do a short video on influences. It's important to realize that music doesn't live in a vacuum, and oftentimes something or someone that you like and are influenced by are also influenced by others. In this first video, we'll take a look at World in Union 95 from the Invictus soundtrack. Let's give this a listen. Sounds like a really cool African tune, right? Maybe, except now let's check out Jupiter, the Bringer of Peace from the Planet Suite by Gustav Holst. As it turns out, Holst was listed in the credits as being the source of the derivation. But it just goes to show how influences from one style of music can be used to create a different sound in another style of music. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.